Today we got a cool little video. We got some venting in the bird blocks, and we have some of this. The birds were poking their way through, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it with some chicken wire. All right, boys, now that we figured out exactly the problem, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to cut it and what we're doing. So we're cutting about 5 inches by 16 inches. That covers the span of that truss. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys are wondering what we got, we went to Home Depot, picked the stuff up for like 40 bucks. This looks like the stuff right here. It's 5 by 25 feet. What you'll get is plenty of room, and it's also a 1/4 inch if you look right here, but I ripped it off, so that's the stuff we're using now. Let's get into cutting. All right, so make sure when you guys buy this stuff, make sure that it's only a 1/4 inch. They have 1/2 inch with bigger holes, 1/4 inch maximum. You don't want this stuff too big or else bugs will get up there, but it is strong enough to make sure that no birds get up there. And really, you just take it out and you put it on with the tacker hammer. It's pretty simple stuff. But if you guys are wondering, you guys are gonna need to make sure that either you're gonna have to climb in the back or make sure the plywood's off. The best time to do it is when you're replacing your roof. So make sure that when you replace your roof, you might have to pull off a piece of plywood to get in there. So just like what we did is we made a cut on the board so that we can get in there with the hand, with our hands. Otherwise, there'd be no way that we can get in there. All right, so let me go show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. This is the stuff that we're gonna be replacing. But let me turn this around. Let's go up here. So the customer said that they have a little issue with the birds getting in. And here's what we're talking about. We already did pull this one out. See, that goes right there. So look how bad this is. So yeah, out with that, in with this stuff. So check this out. You see this way this is gonna work? See that right there? So I'm gonna put this stuff right in front of it. We're gonna attach it with a couple nails. It'll be good to go. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut. So we can't get in there. That's the problem because you can't get your hand in there. So what we're gonna do is cut it. More money. How much you want for this? More money? All right, guys, it's the next day, and the customer did opt in to add a little bit more ventilation. So what we're gonna do on each of those vents, it's a 2-inch hole saw. So we went down there and grabbed a little drill. We're gonna trace out like a little template. That way you make sure that it looks really uniform. If it doesn't look uniform, it'll look bad. So just take your time when you're cutting the holes out and you're making your template. Once the template's made, you can go ahead and get the little pilot hole and drill it in there, and it'll look just like new. So what we're gonna do is basically take this cardboard and cut it up, put it up to the top in the center, and then from the other side, we're gonna make our circles, and then we'll use that as a template. Check that out. All right, now that we scribed the holes, we're gonna go ahead and cut these, and then we're gonna put it up there, and we're gonna cut the blocks out. So check this out. we found out we went every other truss to add those vents in, make it look uniform, and then we took out the old vents, put in the new screens that are a lot thicker. It's like chicken wire, a 1/4 inch cutout, and then we cut our holes, and then we just added the screens back, put back on the plywood. So if you guys want to do this, you do have to make sure to take off the plywood. But if you guys like that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for some more roofing info. But you guys have a good day. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace.